To use rewards for gas, start by visiting a participating gas station and opening the mobile app. If the app is not already installed, download it from the device's App Store and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Log into the account. Then navigate to the Rewards section, where the option to redeem points can be found under the current balance. Tap Redeem Points and choose how to spend the reward points. In this case, select Fuel Discount to see the amount that will be saved. After redeeming the points, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm the decision, then proceed to the pump's dispenser and press Enter. When prompted, enter the phone number associated with the rewards account. Then remove the nozzle and fuel the car. Afterwards, check the app for a receipt or notification. The rewards program currently offers 5 points per gallon. By following these steps, rewards can be easily used for gas, making it a convenient way to save.